I'm diving deep into history to uncover what really sparked the global devastation of World War I, and trust me, it's more complicated than you think. In this video, you'll uncover the intricate web of events and alliances that set the stage for World War I, highlighting why it became a global catastrophe. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in 1914 acted as a spark. But what were the underlying tensions and rivalries that made this event escalate into a world war? There were complex relationships brewing between countries, with nationalism, militarism, and imperial ambitions on the rise. These elements created a volatile atmosphere where even a small incident could ignite a massive conflict. For years, European powers had been building up their military forces and forming alliances, creating an environment where diplomacy was put to the test. Any misstep could lead to a domino effect, drawing in more countries and escalating the situation further. The great powers of Europe were competing for colonies, resources, and influence around the world, heightening tensions among them. The Balkans region was particularly unstable, with various ethnic groups seeking independence from the Ottoman and Austro-Hungarian empires. This volatile mix of nationalism and imperialism made the region a hotbed of conflict, setting the stage for the events that would unfold. When examining the causes of World War I, it's essential to consider the rise of nationalism, which fueled a desire for independence and self-determination among various ethnic groups. This surge in nationalist sentiment often led to aggressive militarism, where countries sought to expand their territories through military conquest. Highlight the moment Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, triggering a series of alliances that spiraled into a full-scale global conflict. Austria-Hungary's ultimatum to Serbia, which Serbia refused to comply with, led Austria-Hungary to declare war. This act of aggression then drew in Russia, which was allied with Serbia, and subsequently Germany, which was allied with Austria-Hungary. The complex web of alliances between European powers meant that a local conflict could quickly escalate into a broader war. France was allied with Russia, and Britain, although not officially in any alliance, had agreements to defend Belgium's neutrality. When Germany invaded Belgium, Britain declared war on Germany, drawing more countries into the conflict. As each country entered the fray, the war expanded beyond Europe, involving colonies and allies from around the world. This global reach is what made World War I a truly worldwide catastrophe, with battles and impacts felt on every continent. These events intertwined in such a way that they resulted in the devastation of millions and reshaped the geopolitical landscape of the 20th century. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe Top 10 Info Why. If you found this exploration of World War I insightful, consider watching our next video on the war's impact on modern geopolitics and share your thoughts in the comments below.